On November 20th, 2017, something extraordinary took place. Over 140 countries all over the world were taken over, for children, by children.
We are billions of beautiful hearts, and you sold us down the river too far.
UNICEF and its partners launched the inaugural World Children's Day by giving children the chance to be heard in some of the most unexpected ways, in news media, in social media, in entertainment, in sport, in business, even in the running of the world. Children everywhere use these platforms to raise their voices in solidarity with the world's most vulnerable children, to help save children's lives, fight for their rights, and help them fulfill their potential. Together, we amplified these messages through mediums traditionally run by adults, to create a global moment that adults cannot ignore.
Next time that world leaders make decisions, instead of thinking about how the decisions you make will affect adults, think about how the decisions you make will affect the children of the future.
What about us? What about all the times you said you had the answers? What about us? What about all the broken happy ever afters? What about us? What about all the plans that ended in disasters? What about love? What about trust? What about us? What about us? What about
Thanks to you and children everywhere, every November 20th is now World Children's Day for every child.